Hey everybody, how you doing? Peapots once again coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about so I bought Bitcoin. What do I do with it? Well, there are several options that you can do. You can hold it, you can lend it out and receive some interest, or you can trade actively. Just so many options that you can do with it. A lot of people buy it and hold it just like gold. They think of it as gold. But when you do that, like say if you bought it here, and as you can see, as of today, it's down like um, a couple thousand from its peak. So you know there are advantages and disadvantages to holding. Um, I want to go through a couple scenarios that I invest in, and I hold Bitcoin definitely because I think everybody should hold Bitcoin because it's going up in value. And as you can see, if we go to the weekly tab here, um, it has gone up tremendously this year. We had a snafu, of course, in the past few days where Segwit 2X was canceled, but other than that, it's a force to be reckoned with. And as you can see, there was a snafu here, and then it went on another run. So, holding is an option if you're a long-term investor. But what I do with some of my Bitcoin, I lend it out. One of the programs I do lend out to is BitConnect. BitConnect is a another cryptocurrency. It's a alternative coin, and what you have to do is you have to um, transfer some of your Bitcoin in here, then purchase the BitConnect coin, which currently is let's see, how much is it worth right now? If we go to, let me scroll up to BitConnect. I think it's number 16 as of today. No, actually it's 21 because it's dropped because the value has dropped somewhat. But BCC is a ticker symbol, and what you can do, you can purchase the BitConnect coin, which is up here, and you can lend it. You can lend it out to BitConnect, and they will get you they will send you a daily interest anywhere from probably 0.00 to upwards towards 0.70% on what you invested. Currently, I have invested. I started out with a initial investment of $590, and my active investment is $690. But I have earned a total of $156. So I have earned $156 on my $690. Excuse me, my $590. So I would say that's a pretty good investment. Now, what I'm doing now is I'm kind of stacking up some Bitcoin in my wallet because I think that this is going to definitely increase. But that's just my own personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising anybody on what to do. I'm just showing you what I do. But this is a very good program. I think it's been out for almost a year now, and it's going so good. I've been in it for about 3 weeks now, and haven't been any hiccups. If you do want to invest, I will definitely leave a link down there for you. And go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, just let me know. The other program that I'm involved in is Chain Group. Chain Group is a escrow service for investors. So pretty much, it has, I believe, it has anywhere around 4 to 5 trade groups, and these groups actually do daily trading, and you actually get paid out on a daily basis. For Chain Group, and as well as BitConnect. So, here is the daily profit for today, and you can go through these on your own. But usually the investment is very low, anywhere from $10 to upwards towards $500,000. You have CloudShare, you have Xbox, you got BitStrong, CNC, Dragon Group, TG Thomas, and Chain Group actually has their own um, trade group, and they have a stable profit of 0.2%, which is which meaning for 500 days they keep your money, and in 500 days they will double your money. Now, you must adhere to the investment offer. Um, Early withdrawal is impossible, and they do refund your principal. It, they do refund your principal, which is a good thing because a lot of these groups and plans they do not refund your principal. It's actually included in your profit. So Train Group is a I do believe that is a very good investment to do. If you just want to put your money, your Bitcoin somewhere and let it accrue, and this is a daily interest. What I'm in TG Thomas um, investment group, and this one ranges. You can do a minimum investment of $10 upwards towards $300. $300,000, and daily profit is from point 0.1 to 0.17. Now for today was 0.35, but for the past week I've been averaging about 1.5. So this one is I do believe is very good because they do allow you to withdraw your money early with a 20% fee, and you can compound, and you can do a principal refund. So, I would recommend this, but once again, I'm not an advisor. Whoever is listening to this, please do your own due diligence. I'm also in Dragon Fund, and I'm also in BitStrong. But I would advise those of you who are listening to me today to definitely just check it out. Check out these. I've been in Chain Group for about going on 4 weeks now, and I've been getting paid out daily on all of these. In fact, I can show you what I've been getting paid out on in my portfolio. I have about $757 in BitStrong. I have $7,755 in Dragon Group, and I have $313 in TG Thomas Group. Now, I started out with about 250 here, and that was only, I want to say, a week and a half ago. So this has grown probably $63, $64 in the past week and a half because I'm compounding here. So I will leave a link to this also down below. So if you did want to take a look at either one of these, please feel free to. But those are just some of the options that you can invest some of your Bitcoin in. I wouldn't advise you to invest all your Bitcoin. I definitely would not advise you to invest any money that you need for bills or your 401k or any other investments. Please only invest in any of these items and investments only with money to lose, because these type of investments are somewhat risky. So I just want to advise you all of that. So one other thing that you can do with your Bitcoin, you can trade on a daily basis. So you can do some day trading if you want to. And if you go to the hourly, what I use is this trading view right here. And whenever Bitcoin go below this line, which is the RSI, which is the relative strength indicator, anytime that it goes below 30, I usually tend to buy, and I usually sell when it goes above 70 or 80. So, and that's only when I day trade Bitcoin, which is not too often, but that's another option for you. So I definitely will leave the links to all of this TradingView, as well as BitConnect, as well as Chain Group for you down below. If you want to join up and sign up, feel free. But in the meantime, please go ahead and do that thumbs up for me if you like this video. It keeps me going and it keeps me making these videos each and every day. So also go ahead down below and leave your comments or questions. I will definitely try to respond to every question that you have. And hope you all have a great day and have a blessed one. Take care.